Hey guys, wanted to go a little bit live to work on 8bitcn. I noticed a couple of problems and I wanted to fix that one right here on this live stream. So I thought, I would do this anyway, so I thought it's good maybe so you can also see it on a live stream. So let me see, who do we have? Radium Coders, awesome. Hello, man. Oh, that was fast. I thought like no one will be here on this live stream. Awesome to see you. Okay, so first thing I saw is when you go here on a GitHub repo and when you check out the contribution guide, this one, contributing.md, here we have some nonsense. We use turbo repo as our build system and it's not turbo repo. I think this is because I copy pasted everything from shredcn like who knows when. So I want to fix all these things and to show you how am I actually putting everything, how am I making PRs to my own repo and how am I checking everything. So I think that will be useful. So let's check out here. Oh, we have also Alem. Hello, Alem. Hello. Sahan, I don't know what are you waiting for, but this is not a review, just to tell you guys. So this is not a review. This is some like random live stream. So let's check the contributing here. And if we go, yeah, we can see here that it's like we are using turbo repo. It's not using turbo repo at all. So I'm going to delete that one. And let's see if we have turbo repo somewhere. No, that's the only place we are mentioning it. And we have the Discord channel. Oh, here also it's not the org dev. Now it's org dev. If someone wants to contact me, so I'll delete that one. And this one looks pretty accurate. Then we have forking repo, 8bitcn. So everything here looks pretty good, I would say. So this is basically the contribution guide for anyone who wants to contribute to 8bitcn. So it should be basically really easy for them. We can check here how is it looking inside of, I think this is inside any like code editor. We have it in cursor like to preview the contributions here. And I really like it, like we can see it here. How does it look? Hey, Razvan, how are you, my guy? Oh, 8bitcn Svelte, that would be so cool. But man, I don't have like that much time now for. No update on OrgPet. I still have this robot right here, but I created an issue. Like we could raid those guys there on GitHub. Like I created an issue for like org dev pet, but they're not answering. So hello. Oh, so many people here. Hey, Dima. Awesome to see you all guys here. So I think now that we are much better with the contribution guide. So forking the repo, cloning on the machine, navigate, then create a branch, use pnpm install. This is the components hierarchy. Everything is, I think, looking nice. Then commit convention. So this is like, I'll repeat it again. I copy pasted everything from shredcn. I didn't really like look at this one that much. I was really surprised today because I was copying this one to my new project. And I saw that like turbo repo was here. I was like, what the heck? I have turbo repo in my contribution guide and I don't have it in my project. Like that was really weird. So yeah, here also test. So this doesn't exist. Then what is the CI? All changes regarding configuration, continuous integration, GitHub. I can also remove this one. This doesn't exist. And no, this is for commit convention. No, it's okay. No, this one is actually good. If somebody is writing tests, if that happened, yeah, they can just write the commit convention for test. Okay, yeah, we could also here like put some link for commit conventions, but I think this one is fine. So fit components, add new prop. Yeah, this one is looking good. And if you're interested in the detailed specification, we have, yeah, here it is, conventional commits. Yeah, this one. This is actually pretty good. I'll share this to you, everyone. Like this is really awesome like piece of resources to have. Like how should you actually write your conventional commits? I mean, I know we are all using now this thingy with AI to write our commits, but I think this is really good thing to know. And we have Angular commit message guidelines. This one is also, I saw this one already on ShedCN's. Let's see if this one is actually live still or not. Yeah, it is. Okay, I think we can leave this one. This is pretty good. I remember this one from ShedCN, so I'll leave that one. And request for new components. If you have requests for new components, please open discussion. I think now we are cool. So let's just check if we're not mentioning turbo repo anywhere anymore. So I think that we can now create a new branch out of this. So creating a new branch, git checkout b, and then this will be docs slash, just like update contribution guide, like this. So we are changing the contributing. So I removed this turbo repo. I updated my Twitter name here, and that's pretty much it, I think. Yes, awesome. So I'll add this one, I'll commit. So we can go something like docs, update contribution guide, remove turbo pack, and update X handle, just like that. Preparing org access and the mighty project conquest. And there it is, git push origin head. And now we can create a PR out of this one. It's this part right here. And we can just merge that one immediately. I set the rules that even I cannot push to main branch. So even I have to create a PR and do it through the PR way. So that's why I'm creating a PR for also silly things like this. And I think that's good basically to remain safe. Like, and I'm the only one basically who can merge to main, but still, I think this is a good thing. Okay, so this silly thing is fixed. That's good. We can now go back to the main branch, pull here. There it is. Oh, is it Twitter? Oh, that's probably because it's old. I didn't even see it. Is it Twitter, really? Yeah, it is. It should be X. Oh, man. How old is this readme? I copied this one from ShedCN, so it's probably... I'm curious if it's like this at ShedCN as well. If we check the contribution guide, contributing... Is it Twitter here? Oh, we don't even have it here. Oh, here it is. Let's see, raw power. Twitter, yeah, it is twitter.com. ShedCN. Nice. Razman, good eye, man. Interesting. But it's okay. I think we can leave it. If we go there to, let's see, if we go to my handle, Twitter, it probably, I mean, redirect is probably working, right? It should work. Contributing guide or dev. Yeah, it's working. Oh, this account doesn't exist. This is because it's still not deployed, but yeah. What a silly thing from X that they're like, they didn't do the redirect from the old handle to the new handle. I cannot believe it. Okay, that one is solved. Let's see, chat, what do you say? Which one? Oh, that one. Yeah, that's a good way. We could create like an issue out of that. That's maybe a good like first issue for someone to create, like just to change something silly as that. It's looking good. Like when you see yourself here, I think that people really enjoy something like that. That's for sure. And it wasn't TurboPack, actually. Okay, let's see what else can we do. So here I'm usually like after every review of your projects, like every Tuesday or whenever, like I always think about like I need to give a good example for 8bitcn UI. So wanted to go through everything that I did for my project to say like what's good, what's like good practice, what am I maybe missing. So that's why I wanted to go through this one with you. And the first thing here that you can see is that screenshot that I'm always telling about. So this is maybe not a perfect screenshot because it is actually, it should maybe be some like showcase of components, not really like the screenshot of the landing page. But again, it's okay-ish. It's not that it is bad because you can see basically a lot of components from the landing page right here. So it's okay for now. This can also be some good first issue for someone. We could create an issue for this one. I mean, this screenshot was already a first issue from someone. Someone committed this. This was not me. So somebody like screenshotted and placed it here in the README. So if you want like to help out the open source community, it's good for these things to create an issue and put like a good first issue so somebody can come and create something like this and be added to your contributors page, or or here, not the page, maybe here in the contributors. I mean, that's really good for any dev. Then we have here contributing guide, license, open source program, and start history. This one was also added by Chen Dai from X. Thank you on that one, man. Uh, this is really good. Like I'm seeing this a lot now on many open source projects. I really love it. And here you can see actually like how is it rising. I think this part right here was the product hunt, and then later I added a bunch of new components, so you can see that it is rising more than normal. So pretty good, I would say there. So what could we add? What do you think, guys? What could we add here to this README file? Somebody have some idea, like what could we add here? I think it's pretty clear. Like only thing I think we could add is maybe like particular components, like for example, button example, then button usage, then maybe card example, card usage. I saw that one on the previous live stream when I was checking out the projects. I really liked that usage. So you can see like PM DLX ShedCN add 8bitcn button, and then you have the usage for that button. I think that that's pretty cool. So we could add maybe something like that. That could also be the first issue. Let's create those issues. So first issue is here. So add button command and usage example in README file, and that one can be, let's see where, maybe under the license, or no, under the contributing guide. Add it under the contributing guide. And this one is going to be marked as enhancement and good first issue. So it should just include the command, and then we can take it from here, from the button. So here we can go to the button. Add the link here. Oops, this is localhost. So add this one. And it should include the command and usage. This one and this one. Maybe to remove this outline, and we can put this to look like code and this one like this. Let's see the preview. Yeah, I think this is a good first issue for someone. Create. Awesome. So I have here some issues. I think, yeah, this one is only like this is the only one not taken currently. Every other is taken. Okay. Which chart? On here on 8bitcn. I really like this, not the bar chart, the other one. What's it called? The step area, I think. Yeah, this one. This one is really like somehow that crude 8-bit style. I love it. Oh, the star one. Yeah. Yeah, that one is awesome. Well, I'm not sure about Svelte, to be honest. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. I mean, 2026 will definitely be the year of React, I would say, but let's say 99%, and maybe you're right about that 1%. Okay, so we added one issue on 8bitcn, and that one is a good first issue. So let's continue. So that one would be a good attribute here in the README file for sure. Like to see some like quick adding button and using it inside of your project. And oh yeah, we could also say put a screenshot of the button there. Screenshot of the button. Okay, nice. And let's see now. So that's the part where somebody like lands on 8bitcn. Basically, README file is your visit card for your project. And I think it's good. Like people are already seeing this, like these 8-bit vibes. So I think that's enough for them, like to click here and to go actually to the project. So that's definitely good. Then here we have that big moment, and I think 8bitcn is doing a pretty good job with that one because we are seeing immediately what can we do with 8bitcn. So we have all these like buttons. We see these loading GIFs, which are pretty cool. We can open here, drop down menu, quest log with this drawer right here. So you can see immediately what is this library about. And I think that's really important. From here, it just depends if people want to build actually something and go into components or wherever. So I think this is a pretty good thing that is 8bitcn doing, like on when we land here for the first time. I'm not sure like if we could add anything here that would be different. Only thing maybe is different showcase for the components to like reorganize everything. But here we have like all the things that we need. We also have, I think that these health bars and mana bars are pretty important to see like that you can get something like this, like out of the box, just add it as a component. That could also be maybe a good thing to add in the README file. And I think we are pretty good here. So let's see what else do we have. So we fixed the contributing guide. Do we have some more guides, something? No, just README and this one. Okay. So that one is fixed. And here we have now the Fuma docs. We can search all the components here. This is also a good tip if you're using Fuma docs, not to leave it just empty with a search like this, but to like put here some shortcuts. For example, I place here components, blocks, gaming blocks, and themes. You can place, of course, whatever you want. Oh, I found here the bug. This one is rounded, and 8bitcn, we don't want rounded corners. Okay, so we need to fix this one. Let's see, where is this happening? So that's the search documentation. Is it this one? Button, do we have here rounded? No. Is this the one? I think this is not the one. No, this is the search documentation button in the navbar. So we want maybe search. Yeah, this is the one. Okay. So here, do we have here rounded somewhere? Rounded. No. So here are the items, and we have content search dialog. Where is our button for our search? It's this one, right? So it's search, escape. Yeah, it's definitely this component, but where is it doing it? Let's put here rounded none to see if this one is going to work. No, it's not working. It has to be here some. Oh, it's not actually the content. I think it's this search dialog. Where is the overlay? This is coming out of the box probably with FumaDocs. So maybe, do we have here the class name? Yeah, class name here doesn't exist. Search dialog overlay. Is it this one maybe? Maybe this one. No, it's not solved. Nope. Let's check it here. So it is this one. This right here. And we probably have somewhere the rounded thingy. Rounded XL. Okay, in the layer utilities. So it is coming out of the box from FumaDocs. So we probably cannot override it from here, from this search, because we are using actually from FumaDocs everything, from the FumaDocs UI components dialog search. But let's try to put somewhere maybe in the header. Maybe this one will work. Oh, I'm testing actually in 8bitcn, not on localhost. Maybe that's why. What do you guys think? Is that maybe why I cannot see it? So let's see the overlay. No, it's not changing. Okay. But if we put it to the content, yeah, it fixed it. Awesome. So it just needed to be like the first thing I placed there, rounded none on the search dialog content. And that fixed the issue. So we don't have any more here. Yeah, now it is good. Awesome. No rounded corners in 8bitcn. We cannot have that one. Maybe some icons like this, but that one is okay, but not like rounded corners like this. Okay, we can create a PR for this one as well. So we change here. What's here with the contributing? Did I change it to? Yeah, I changed it X. Okay, we can leave that one. So fix search dialog rounded and whoops, git adds everything. What's the name of the component? It's just search. Okay. So fix search, remove rounded corners. And we are checking everything. Nice. Pushing that one. And let's now just make that PR and merge that change. These are like some things that are always good to check. Like for every project, you need to take care of these small things. And as always, on every live stream, I'm saying the same sentence, design sentence. So whatever you're seeing every day becomes invisible to your eye because you're seeing it every day. You're not paying attention. So these are some things that I really love to fix. Okay, so we merged that one. We can now check out to main and pull that last PR that was merged, and let's see if it is actually deployed to Vercel. Yeah, the last one was deployed, so that one was good, and now this one is coming. But there is no reason not to be deployed because we did only one small style thing. What? 10-second delay on the camera. How do you know? And what's up, man? Lots of people actually using GitHub desktop, but uh, I think that I'm all in like in the old school retro mode to use terminal, but I see that on X, a lot of people are using GitHub desktop. Yeah, that's a good question, my man. And I wanted to put it as here, like also to be like this 8-bit font, but documentation is pretty important to be readable. And that's why I decided like to put like entire documentation in normal font so people can actually enjoy reading this thing and not stare at it and that it's like hard to read. So that's why I decided to use normal font for the entire documentation. Because imagine like all this here is actually this retro font. I think that would be really like, let's try it out. So here, if we put, for example, retro, not sure if this will work. Yeah, check this one out. I mean, this is really hard. Like imagine you're reading documentation like this, your eyes would hurt probably. And this is still like normal. So I think that it needs to be like normal font in order to like to just be normal while using this documentation. Yeah, thanks, man. Really glad to hear it. Trying it out like last time on the last live stream, it's turned off. So I wanted to check if everything is good for tomorrow and to work a little bit on 8bitcn. So glad to hear it's good. Good, man. How are you? Ah, it's okay. You didn't see anything like secret. Man, like it would be, it's good when you have like retro blocks and everything, but when you have retro documentation, it's no bueno. Okay, let's see what else do we have. So I noticed a couple of things also. For example, blocks. When someone creates a new block, and we had a new block recently, victory screen, this one. And when someone adds a new block, he totally forgets to put it to gaming blocks, and that's here. Yeah, so we don't have victory listed here in the gaming blocks. So I think I need to add it to contributing guide or maybe to issues. So when we have, because we had an issue for this victory block and somebody took it and created it, all good, but we want to put that. Is it closed? Yeah, it is. So let's see if I save slots, for example. If I place here, yeah, I just said like include the documentation page like all other gaming components, but I didn't really tell like add it to gaming components page. So I should probably add that to every issue that I create for different components so we can have all of them here. How do you like, guys, the victory screen component? I think it's really good. I should probably create an issue to make it flexible so it can be a lost screen and not only the victory screen, but it can even be like defeated or lose or something. So we can like choose there like by some boolean win or not or something like that. I think that would be really good. Oh, we have Sahaj here. Hello, my man. Suggestion: make column gap and row gap same on homepage. Probably this one. Yes, that's actually a good. No, that's actually really good advice to put here. This one the same. Let's check it out. So that's the showcase component, closing everything else. And we have, what's the gap there? Let me see. So we have here gap of 4, and for rows, gap, but it is the 4. Why is it not the same? Weird. Let's see. So here, this gap is, I think, really good, this small gap, but this one is too much. Maybe it's different across different columns. Like, let's see, column 2, also gap 4, but if we put it to 2, yeah, this one is even not a 2, this is a 1. Yeah, this one, like this, it's the same in columns. Let's try it out on all columns. So column 3, gap 1, and column 1. Also, let's put gap 1. Yeah, this actually makes more sense. And you can see like more components out of this. Oh, this is pretty awesome, I would say, advice. Also for these buttons, I don't know why are these buttons like this. Buttons. Oh, it's actually gap 6 there for these buttons. Yeah, now we're talking. This is looking much better than before. Let's push this one. But I still don't understand why is this 4 and it's looking much smaller. Is it maybe if we... No, it's always the same, like even if we zoom it out. Okay, let's push this. I like it. Refactor, showcase, smaller gap. So refactor in the component showcase, put gap 1 instead of gap 4 for all columns. Now this was that rule, like I was seeing this every day and I never noticed like that difference between those gaps. And it's actually really like logical. Oh, here we have a problem. Okay, let's fix that one as well. Let's first push this thingy right here. And to see what's going on. So here we have that select difficulty. Let's see, where is that one? Select difficulty, select. Command example. Probably this one has something. Yeah, because it's a command component. Maybe it's the problem even with the component itself. We are not even sending class name to this command. Okay, I will just fix this temporarily and put it to do. So here I'll put empty one, yes. And to see how does it look. Yeah, actually my1, so we can separate it. Yeah, even down there. Yeah, now it's good. Let's push that one as well. And no, first to put here to do. To do. Yes, not in the card. Command example. Command has some problem with spacing. Check it out. Okay. Fix component showcase, add my1 to the command. and push that one. And we can take now this link and create a PR. Awesome. Thank you, Sahaj, for this one. Now, this is why these things are better to do on a live stream. Yes, Sahaj is the Twig CN guy. Thanks, man. And do we have some more suggestions? Let me see. Oh man, so many comments. Yes, Sahaj, the Twig CN guy. Okay, we push this one and merge the PR. Oh no, we didn't merge. Let's merge. And that one is going live. Let's see. Here it is. And for some reason, unusually long build time for 8bitcn. It's nothing special like that we have something big. So I'm wondering why. We could also maybe check that one. But this one is fixed. So that's awesome. So this is how it looked before, and this is how it looks now. I think this is hell of a difference. Like, it's so much better now. Look at this. And such a small tweak, like tweak CN. We tweak CN'd it. Awesome. And let's check out again to the main and pool. And you see, out of this live stream, we already gained here 6 contributions. So that's how you create contributions on your GitHub profile. You just do like small tweaks like this, and it's always good for your contribution graph. We could also, of course, like here add more components and different showcase, but I think this is good for now. Let's then check here. So blocks, we have here, like you can see here, obviously that I created with AI, this whole Fumadocs thing. We have like gaming authentication, dashboard, calendar charts with these icons. I would never put this myself, but AI put it. Okay, so we have here, I think, couple of blocks missing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And here we have 9, 10. So we are missing 4 components from the left side. What the heck? And it's not, I'm not sure in which way it is ordered, because audio settings is not the first one here. It's not like by alphabet, so really weird. This one definitely needs to be fixed. It's probably like the case everywhere. If we check here, authentication, 4 components. Okay, so we have here 4 blocks as well. Dashboard, okay, that's 1. Calendar, where is calendar here? Here it is, 3, that one is good. And charts, okay, so gaming blocks are the only problem right here. This can also be a good first issue. So let's add that one as well. So here, I'll create a new issue and match gaming blocks page with actual blocks, gaming blocks. Currently, there are 14 blocks, gaming blocks, but only 10 here. And let's link that blocks page, this one. Add all missing blocks. This is an easy one. And we're going to put it as enhancement, bug also maybe, and good first issue. Great. Nice. This should be also easy for someone to solve. Add credits. Who created this? I mean, yes, we could add this one. I mean, everyone knows it's ShadCN UI based. I think it's not really, but okay. That's maybe good to add that it is ShadCN based. So we created a new issue out of this. Anyone have some idea, maybe idea for some gaming block or something like that? That would be really cool to hear from you. Oh, we have here Francois. Hey man, tell me the camera, how does it look? Check it out. So this is me on my new camera. How do you like it? I think it's really good, and I fixed the issue with that overheating and everything. So I think it's really good now. And 8-bit UI. Yes, 8-bit UI. A lot of people saying something like that. And what is this? Something like name quest component. For what is this? Oh, one source of truth, like a registry. That's a good idea. Yeah, actually here, all these gaming blocks could be like, Dima, are you there still? Like, this can be really solved in a good way with the registry, because we have here the where is it? Gaming. Yeah, we have here gaming category. So we could basically separate it by the registry from the JSON here. That's actually a great idea. And that's the use case for the categories. I mean, not on the ShadCN side, but on our side, like how can we use these categories? I think this is an awesome idea by Sahaj to separate like all the components and blocks by the registry.json file, because that's like the only source of truth. Thank you, Sahaj, again. Like, oh man, you give such good advice for something like this. Awesome. Thank you, man. Yeah, I wanted like I would like make these live streams every day, because I'm always doing things like this, like small updates and all the things. And this is useful not only for you, but also for me. Like you saw now, Sahaj gave two really like good advices for this project. So we could do this like for all projects. It's just like that. I cannot like do live streams every day, but hopefully I could soon. Oh, I think I know who is this. Okay. How is this bun thing working here? Here it is. Bun and delete all the comments. Click done. Yes, tomorrow we have with David. So I think that one will be really good. Yeah, it's a doorknob. Hell, I hate that thing like behind me because it's always shining. I don't know. How do you guys know that you have the delay on the camera? Is it like I'm telling things and then the like everything on my display comes late? I'd like to fix that, but I'm not sure what am I doing wrong. Strange. It's not bot attack, it's hater attack. Like when Sahaj comes in, he comes in with one. Oh, I know that one. Yes. Okay, I can fix that from the studio. I'll do it for tomorrow. I fixed it in the OBS, but it's different here in the StreamYard, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, definitely that one. Yeah, I need to put plus 120 ms. Okay, and oh yeah, one more thing. I want to tell you all, tomorrow we will pick up one project from the Discord channel, so make sure to join the Discord channel. You should just go on this one. Let me see. This one. Join the horde.dev, the best subdomain I created in my life, and you will get to the Discord channel and you can get picked up for the open source project review. And while we are at that one, we have a lot of projects already for tomorrow. We have 40 projects. That's pretty good. We maybe make like our record. So go here, submit your project. We have a live stream tomorrow with David, the creator of React Bits Really awesome React animation library. So go and submit your projects. And everything is deployed. So if we check now 8bitcn, and if we go here in refresh, yes, we have now better gap and everything. Awesome. So this one is fixed. This is like really, this was really good advice from Sahash. I really like it now with smaller gap. And we created a couple of new issues. Oh, you guys are creating issues. Nice. Thank you. Now, this is like what I love about open source and everything. Like in general, with the communities, like we are doing all these things together. I'd like to do this also, like not for 8bitcn, for my project. I like to do this for all of your projects that you are like submitting there to the open source review. Thank you for this one, Radium Coders, Jay, my man. So the preview for sidebar is not visible. Tested on two different browsers. Which preview? What do you mean? In the docs? This one? Can you just explain a little bit better on here on the issue? Which preview? I'm not sure what are you. Oh, the sidebar component, probably. Sidebar. Yes. Okay. I think there is even no preview right here because it wasn't easy to get it directly inside the documentation. But yeah, this is good. Okay. So sidebar component. I'll just add the link to the sidebar component right here. Thank you for this one, Jay. And well, I'm really happy what we did in this like short live stream. Created new issues, fixed couple of things, and yeah, this is really good. Awesome. Yeah, we need to create an API. What do you guys think about the API that automatically submits your projects to review dot actually it's now review.thehorde.dev. It's not org dev anymore. I mean it is because I don't want like some old links to just be dead. But imagine like here we have an API that submits to the review for the horde. That would be so awesome. Like we need to create that one. That could be like my first Rust project now when I think about it. Yeah, I was thinking about that, about the theme selector on 8bitcn. I mean, we have it here in themes. This is exactly the same component. And we have here like selecting different themes. I don't know if I should add that one as well on. I mean, we have that, like, we have here an Easter egg from Francois by Nux. So we can put here just theme Game Boy and it is working automatically. And it is not only here on the landing page, it's actually on every component that you can imagine. So, for example, button, we can go here and check theme Zelda and check how it looks in different theme. So this is pretty good thing, but maybe it's like an Easter egg. It's not that everyone knows this one. So we could maybe say like, I don't know, maybe some kind of small button here that is absolute and doing something. Not sure. And need a showcase page for submitted projects on there. I was thinking about that one. We have the showcase for all reviewed projects, but not sure about the submitted projects. Like that would probably be. I don't know how would like people accept to submit again after they already like see their project here. I don't know. It's a little bit different. Like it's like some kind of lottery. Every week you're submitting your project and you're hoping that you are going to be picked for some kind of review. So we have that lottery like part of this whole story that I like. And I'm afraid that it would be like lost with showcasing all submitted projects. Not sure. What do you guys think? Yeah, and also open door to spam. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah. Not sure. Yes. Cool your eyes, don't change. I agree on that one. And very true, but what about weekly, monthly leaderboard to make the page feel more welcoming? Yes, we have many plans actually for that thing. Like first thing is that we want some kind of leaderboard and voting system for all the projects. Like imagine we are picking our projects on this live stream, for example, on episode 7, and people can actually vote for their project, like top project from this live stream. And then in episode 8, we say, like, for example, who to bother at X won the episode 7, and that is like the legendary project from that week or something like that. There are so many ideas like that we could do with these live streams. I think it's really a good thing. We should do it definitely together as a community. Oh, I cannot show it yet. I can't wait to publish that one. It is coming out this week, definitely. I'm nearly finished, and I think you are going to love it. It's perfect, like for social networks and for sharing. You'll see, Jay. Orc hunt, yes. Hey, how are you doing? Nice to see you here. We're closing soon, but let's check out a little bit more like what we have here. I think we actually fixed like a lot of things. I'm really happy. And what do you think about these live streams? Do you like something like this, like working in a live stream and sharing like the problems, even like small problems like we had today, like with the documentation and some gaps and things like that? It's not like that every day I'm creating three new components and three new blocks. I'm like, this is something that I'm doing probably every day, like these small tweaks of some components, some small bugs and things like we saw here, like that rounded edge that we have and things like that. I think it's really useful for anyone like to check out like how am I even like how am I pushing and creating PRs from the terminal and things like that. I think it's useful for people to see something like that. Yes. Awesome. Awesome to hear that. Nice. Okay, let's close this one. So one more time, uh, tomorrow we have a live stream with David. Go and submit your projects. We have 40 projects currently on the review. So also come to the Discord channel. We have a Discord channel. You just type in join.thehorde.dev and it is working. And also here it's the horde.dev. Oh my god, Francois will kill me. So I'll share this one also in the chat so you can go and submit your projects. And tomorrow you'll get a chance to be picked by the org machine and to get your project reviewed. So good luck tomorrow. We have, I think, in like 23 hours our live stream. Yeah, something like that. And I really hope that you enjoyed in this one. And I'll make more live streams from now on. I want to share my work. What am I working like on every day, especially with this new project? I'm going to create a bunch of live streams for this new project. So stay tuned. And I hope you enjoyed in this live stream.